Big breaking, big breaking, big breaking. Big breaking just coming in. The nation wants to know why तक has not revealed this now. ये तक वाले खबर नहीं चलाते, इसलिए हम आपको बताते हैं. Are you shocked? Let me tell you. As we are doing this video, Twitter is bombarded with screenshots of Arnab Goswami and Bark CEO Partho Dasgupta's chat. These screenshots are going viral and our beloved Arnab is trending on Twitter. Here are some of the glimpses. There are several things which will shock you, as AS is quoted again and again in these messages. Meeting with PMO and PM is about to set. This is not what we are saying. This is what these screenshots are saying. Here are some of the tweets which people are sharing. The tweet of Prashant Bhushan, who wrote, "These are a few snapshots of the damning leaked WhatsApp chats between Bark CEO and Arnab Goswami. They show how many conspiracies and unprecedented access to power in this government. Gross abuse of his media and his position as power broker. In any rule of law country, he would be in jail for long." Another journalist, Prashant Kanodia, tweeted, "Chats of Arnab Goswami related to the rigging of TRP. This anti-national Goswami is not only a TRP terrorist, but a person who is also accused of abetment of suicide and absconding. Nation wants to know, where is this TRP terrorist hiding?" We will update you soon as we get any more info about this.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
I am sorry, Babu.